Your Vaederstad machine is built to perform at peak level in the harshest conditions over a long lifespan. The high quality of its component parts gives your Vaederstad superior machine reliability. This is the result of close cooperation between Vaederstad and farmers from all over Europe. What we're about to see is the Vaederstad way in practice. It's our way of lean production, a production management system that combines productivity and quality goals with constant improvements. All this is carried out by our dedicated, highly skilled, hand-picked workforce. The Vaederstad factory is a state-of-the-art production facility where many processes are high-tech and automated. But remember that everything is being done under the watchful eye of a truly loyal Vaederstad co-worker, with only the machine's final performance in mind. Every worker aims to comply with the motto, "Correct from me." In the Vaederstad factory, nothing is left to chance. Everything starts at the fully automatic steel depot, to which 100 tons of steel tubes and 17 tons of flat iron are delivered every week. To ensure maximum strength and avoid unnecessary weight, we use hardened boron steel. Everything is the highest quality material from SSAB. The specially trained operator gets an order from the production plan listing dimensions and number of tubes that should be loaded into the three-dimensional laser. Steel can now be cut up to thicknesses of 14 millimeters, and we handle tubes up to 4.5 meters and 500 kilograms. Robots cut with a precision of 1/10 of a millimeter. In our unique in-house developed sorting system, 2 elevators place all ordered parts into their respective batches, which are then distributed directly to the welding area. Vaederstad employs 100 highly skilled welders. Some of them weld manually and others operate the cutting-edge welding robots. The hardening process is a precision art that Vaederstad has refined to perfection. Hardening a disc starts with 12 minutes heating in a furnace holding a core temperature of 900 degrees Celsius. Under 200 tons of pressure, the true cut gets exactly the shape that guarantees perfect results throughout its service life. Then the disc is quickly cooled down in a water bath. All Vaederstad discs are made of V55 steel that has exactly the right hardness. Steel that is too soft wears too fast, and steel that is too hard risks cracking. The annealing process enables maximum hardness and wearability of the V55 material. A base frame of a Carrier XL is on its way into the blasting chamber, where it will be bombarded with 12 tons of steel pellets to get the best possible surface for spray painting. 4 robots armed with air nozzles clean the goods from blaster pellets using compressed air of 6 bar. With a single coat of 2-component polyurethane paint, we offer the most durable paint on the market with minimal color fading. The air from the paint booths is then cleaned in a separate building with carbon filters. The goods are brought into the 130 degrees Celsius furnace. 28 minutes later, the paint is hardened and dried. But in a perfect production line like Vaederstad's, there is no time to spare. Therefore, the goods are immediately cooled down to be ready for assembly only 12 minutes later. From start to finish, our state-of-the-art painting process takes between 2 and 4 hours. The mission to go from the farmer's requirements to a working idea is assigned to our creative engineers at the Department of Product and Development. The founder of Vaederstad, Rune Stark, regularly used the expression "make it last" when speaking to his first co-workers. Today, Vaederstad is still putting Rune Stark's strong quality orientation into practice. It's extremely important that every detail has the right dimensions and that every bolt hole is placed in exactly the right position. We therefore digitally measure our components with extreme precision. Nothing from Vaederstad reaches the market if it isn't built to last. The seed counter, Seed Eye, is one of Vaederstad's award-winning innovations and a typical example of how Vaederstad's curiosity, creativity and ability to make things happen makes a big difference to farmers. Another of Vaederstad's many great innovations is the e-services control system that makes it possible to control the drill from the tractor cabin with a programmed iPad. Individually machine-specific software is installed to fit every unique drill. Vaederstad's top-notch warehouse is almost 5,000 square meters in size and houses 8,000 storage places. The trucks are programmed and automatically navigated. The driver is being transported to the right storage place just by holding the dead man's handle. This automatic warehouse stores and delivers the smaller components down to the floor as soon as it gets an order from the production plant. We're proud to present the way our world-class production line works today. But will it look the same tomorrow? Probably not, because innovation and continuous improvement are both in our DNA. That is what we call the Vaederstad Way.